This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your iMac, MacBook Pro, any other version of Mac computer to the last version of Mac OS. In this case, very simple tutorial, guys. You have to hit, you see Apple logo here, hit this one. Go to the system preferences. How we go? Here you see software update, hit this one. Whenever you hit this one, you will see they're checking for updates. They're checking for the last version of update. If this one is in automatic selected here, it will always inform you to the last version. So it is still checking. We're waiting to see which version is giving me. So it's checking for the update. Whatever update you will have, you will see here at the moment my system, my Mac OS is up to date to the last one, so I don't get any new updates. So here you will see this new update and you have to hit next button and install the update. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.